Best index fund for max gains? Number 1. Index Fund for 2024. Welcome to Ace Wealth, the go-to channel for savvy investors seeking to build their portfolios with insightful and profitable investments. Today, we're zeroing in on the best index fund for 2024, offering you the chance to capitalize on the market's top opportunities. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the realm of index funds, revealing 6 outstanding choices you can confidently invest in and hold onto indefinitely. Just like the enduring Great Pyramids, these funds are crafted for longevity, ensuring the lasting growth of your portfolio. We kick off with a glimpse into Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, a fund that mirrors the enduring success of the U.S. stock market. Its comprehensive coverage of over 3,000 U.S. companies offers unparalleled diversification, making it a robust foundation for any investment portfolio. We'll also explore Vanguard's Total International Stock Index Fund, granting access to top global companies outside the U.S., diversifying your investment reach. Before we delve into the details, it's important to understand the fundamentals of index funds and their role in a diversified portfolio. We'll explore why certain index funds stand out as the best investment options for the coming year. Let's begin by demystifying index funds and ETFs. Index funds like the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, VOO, are designed to track a market index, offering broad market exposure. They're ideal for investors seeking market-matching returns with minimal risk. ETFs, on the other hand, can be more specialized, targeting specific themes or strategies. For example, the Vanguard Small Cap Index, VB, focuses on small-cap stocks, offering diversification and the potential for higher returns due to their growth potential. It's crucial to balance your portfolio with a mix of both index funds and thematic ETFs to capture the full spectrum of market opportunities. In 2024, small cap and value stocks are gaining traction. The Vanguard Small Cap Index, VB, exemplifies this trend with its holdings in over 1,400 companies and a median market size of $6 billion. These stocks present a unique value proposition, often trading at lower price-to-earnings ratios compared to their large-cap counterparts. This shift towards smaller, value-oriented companies could signify a turning point for investors, offering a lucrative avenue for growth and diversification beyond the heavily weighted tech giants of larger indices. If you're enjoying this and want more tips, here's a small task. Click subscribe, give us a like, and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Share with us. What's your next microcap pick? Let's exchange insights in the comments below. The Vanguard Small Cap Index, VB, emerges as a top contender for 2024. Its portfolio of over 1,400 companies, boasting a median market size of $6 billion, offers a balance between growth potential and value. Unlike the S&P 500, where a handful of large-cap stocks dominate, the VB provides a more equitable distribution across various sectors, ensuring a well-rounded exposure to the market. Its lower price-to-earnings ratio compared to the S&P 500 makes it an attractive option for investors seeking growth opportunities coupled with reasonable valuations. Another compelling option for 2024 is the Invesco S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF, RSP. This fund offers a unique approach by equally weighting each stock in the S&P 500, rather than basing it on market cap. This method provides a more balanced exposure across all sectors, reducing the overconcentration in tech giants. With this strategy, investors can enjoy the benefits of a broad market index while mitigating the risks associated with a few dominant stocks. The RSP also boasts a higher dividend yield, compared to the traditional S&P 500 index, making it an attractive choice for income-focused investors. Have you considered diversifying your portfolio with small-cap or value stocks? Share your thoughts in the comments about how you plan to navigate the 2024 market. First on our list is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSX, or its ETF version, VTI. This fund encapsulates the entire US stock market, offering unparalleled diversification with over 3,000 companies. Through various market conditions, recessions, wars, and pandemics, VTSX has consistently grown investor wealth. Its all-encompassing nature makes it an ideal foundation for any investment portfolio, providing a solid base to build upon for long-term growth. The second index fund is Vanguard's Total International Stock Index Fund, VGTSX, or VXUS for its ETF version. This fund expands your investment horizon beyond the US, including top companies worldwide. It's vital for diversification and exposure to global market dynamics. From 2002 to 2009, international stocks outperformed US stocks, highlighting the importance of global exposure in your portfolio. This fund ensures you're not missing out on the growth potential of non-US-based companies. Our third pick is the Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund, VBTLX, emphasizing the importance of bonds in a well-rounded portfolio. Bonds provide stability and reduce volatility, which is crucial as you approach retirement. In turbulent times like the 2008 financial crisis, having bonds in your portfolio can mitigate significant losses, ensuring you have a safety net in place. VBTLX offers broad exposure to the US bond market, making it a necessary component for risk management. Invesco's QQQ ETF is a tech-heavy fund that mirrors the NASDAQ 100 index. It's an excellent option for investors looking to concentrate on the tech sector, which has been a significant market driver in recent years. Comprising top tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google, QQQ is perfect for those aiming to capitalize on the growth of the tech industry while being part of a broader index. The Schwab US Equity Dividend ETF, SCHD, is our fifth recommendation, ideal for dividend-focused investors. This ETF has shown a strong track record of providing steady dividend income along with solid growth. It's an excellent choice for those looking to generate passive income from their investments while still benefiting from capital appreciation. Last but not least, we recommend the Avanti's US Small Cap Value Index Fund, AVUV, a unique fund that focuses on small-cap value stocks. Unlike other funds heavily weighted towards large-cap stocks, AVUV provides exposure to smaller companies with high growth potential. This fund is an excellent way to diversify your portfolio and tap into the potential high returns of small-cap value stocks. To recap, for maximum gains in 2024, consider the Vanguard Small Cap Index, VB, for its growth and value potential, and the Invesco S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF, RSP, for a more balanced approach. Both these funds offer unique advantages, whether you're looking for diversified growth opportunities or a more equitable exposure to the S&P 500. Don't forget the power of diversification. While picking the right index funds is crucial, diversifying across different asset classes and sectors is key to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Consider reviewing and adjusting your portfolio periodically to align with your financial goals and market changes. In conclusion, selecting the right index fund for 2024 could be the key to unlocking significant returns. Whether you opt for the growth potential of small-cap stocks or the balanced approach of an equal-weight ETF, smart choices today can pave the way for a prosperous investment journey. Thank you for joining us on Ace Wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful investment tips. Share your thoughts and let's continue to grow our wealth together. Until next time, happy investing!